Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna senze i-review la album EP or AC mixtape because wayifana ubiza kanjalo. So wayifana ukhiphe umsebenzi laphana onengoma ezo8 i-album or AC mixtape ibizwa umsebenzi wami. So laphana ingoma nje zo8 khona umsebenzi wami first half khona second half izona ngoma engithande kakhulu but I think i-second half insombo kakhulu. There's one song akayenze laphana no Mr. V show laphana ke samazi ayifana unisikhamisa uyigwijo and i-rap uhlezi kuhlanganisa ndawonye so wenze return lapha so i-album yakhe nami ngizwe laphana kwi-podcast ngichile laphana because uSoul wena umuntu okade imentionile and then I went ngabona interview akayenzile laphana khona enye online radio station laphana isemonti laphana ibizwa The Voice Lounge laphana so khona interview la ayenze khona akade break down i-album laphana bekade yenze nomunye umsakazi laphana onsombo kakhulu bambiza ngoNacho laphana so mawulalela-ke leza story sakhe laphana I think uchaza wonke ukuthi lento yakuwa kwakhe uye kanjani because wayefana nomuntu oke wabatop. I remember there was a time ngimbona for the first time eperforma ePeter Maritzburg e-Royal Show kade ebhukhe uKhozi FM ku-birthday yoKhozi FM laphana wayese big ngale ndlela. I think that was early 2013 or 2012 lapho so ukuwa kwakhe laphana uzama ukubreak down explain because uthe kulonyaka uzokhipha album so I think le mixtape mhlawumbe yona akandlalela ngawo ukuthi abo esibonisa ukuthi mhlawumbe lento esizoyizwa njani so sikhona ingoma engiyithandile laphana njengale ngisho umsebenzi wami especially i-second half umsebenzi wami insombo kakhulu. Khona enye ingoma laphana ebizwa nge-corrections laphana nakhona uzama explain i-situation yakhe laphana ukuthi ufike kanjani ehleli khona but there's one song akayenze laphana kwakhe kwanje phina laphana ekhuluma ngestory sakhe laphana ukuthi I think umakazi wakhe laphana wathengisa idladla then the time eshawa impilo egoli ebuye ezebhayi wafike ngenadladla laphana so deep kakhulu istory side. Khona enye ingoma laphana ekhuluma nge-website laphana I'm not too familiar ngeGqeberha but ngiyazazi indawo efana boZwide nawo seZwide nawo Tinarhe yabo lezi ezinye so I'm not sure ukuthi website ukuthi mhlawumbe engakuliphi iside laseGqeberha mhlawumbe abanye abantu bengangidirect yabo just bengineze picture because ingoma eziningi laphana istory sakhona esikhandula album sikhuluma nge-website laphana so I think yona ke fika yamamukela laphana but mawulela album ngathi indawo nje yabo enemkhukhu install imjondolo because abantu abaningi like I think abano second chance empilweni baphanda laphana ngokusho kwakhe engomeni zakhe so nje I think insombo kakhulu imixtape idope and usenawo lento ayenayo just that mhlawumbe ayisekho le phusha yena because wena abantu abaye behind I think I believe when record deal ayifana leso sikhathi because abemphusha. I remember there was a time ade sakhona igolide ngo first day even though igolide lakhe lalathuthisa umsindo because babethi I think uRed Bull company athenga ama-album ku-status segolide so kwaba ne-issue ekhona lapha. I remember AK waze wa-comment lapho lebezi no igolide liyi-fake because music uthengwe i-brand awuzange uthengwe abantu but kongiqala lokho because kwakuyinto yakaqana phesheya uJay-Z wakhipha i-album laphana ebizwa ngeMina Carter naphana yathengwa uSamsung i-deal nakhona yadayisa igolide on the first day but kwaba issue mase kwenza le eMzansi so into eningi laphana u-explainile kule album yakhe especially nje i-downfall yakhe ne-website indawo akuyona so I think uku-status right ukuthi mhlawumbe engaphinde ivuke and ngizorecommend abantu abaningi bokubuka le interview yakhe because I think yona la I break it down khona indaba zale mixtape yakhe so nje so Speaker Nawe I think ingayinikeza u8 out of 10 but ngifuna ukuze album kahle sinama features amaningi because awekho amaningi ama features especially for ama rappers lawa uyiwona akasebenzana nawo kakhulu lapha eGqeberha so I think maybe uba reserve le album ukuthi sobezwa lapha album lakhe abantu abafana no Gaffy intwana zakhe lezi akamenshina kakhulu but lana nje just ingoma ezimbalo. Khona enye ngoba ethi ngivuselele naye ngathi i-gospel rap ngithande kakhulu nawe lapha so nje I think album insombo kakhulu. Zoyivala lapha ivideo yami sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Nawe sikhona ku TikTok Speaker Nawe show. We out.